How to import MP3 file in FL Studio. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your FL Studio. Now go to the top of your screen and click on the channel rack button. Now go ahead and click on the plus icon. Now guys, you want to scroll down to where you see mix. Now under mix, you're going to see audio clip and then tap on it. Then head over to the folder icon and tap on it. Now go ahead and select your MP3 file. Now you just want to go to the file location, and when you see it, tap on it and click on open. And as you can see, this MP3 file has already been imported into the FL Studio. Now I'm going to close that down and just drag audio clip into my desired track. You're going to place it where you want to. And this is how easy it is to import MP3 file into FL Studio. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.